Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Tech Hype. Today, let's make image text recognizer in Python in less than 20 lines of code, and we'll also make it speak the text. So let's get started. First, we have to install the necessary packages. So open up your terminal, then type pip install EasyOCR. Then type pip install pyttsx3. So once it's done, you can open up your text editor. I'm using VS Code in this case. You can use any text editor of your choice. I'm creating a file called main.py. You can name it anything. Make sure you have the images in the same folder. First, let's import EasyOCR. Then we have to initialize the reader. And give the file name here. So in my case it's img.png. Now let's print the results. It may take long time when you run it for the first time. So as you can see, it got the text, but it also has these unnecessary values. So these are the XY coordinates. So let's get rid of them. So for that we need to create a for loop for result in results text. Got it. Now let's print the text. So we'll remove the previous print statement. So as you can see, we only got the required text. So now let's make it speak the result. For that you have to import pyttsx3. Then we have to initialize it by Now let's create a speak function. Engine.say audio. So once we finish with this, we can use the speak function text.
Please subscribe my channel.
So as you can see guys, it is working. Now we'll run this in a while loop, and then we'll add an input for the file name so that we can run it from the terminal as well. So let's check if it is working.
Please subscribe my channel.
So as you can see, it's working, and now let's try with an image which has a lot of text. Do.png.
Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation _ its language constructs, as well as its object-oriented approach. Aim T0 help programmers write clear, logic-app code for small and large-scale projects. 29 Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured, particularly procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python is often described as batteries included language due T0 its comprehensive standard library 30.
So as you can see, it's working guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do join our Discord server, and the link of this source code is available in the description below. Make sure you check out. Thank you.